Did you know that if you see any ad for any product and want to make a similar one for your own product, you can create an exact copy using this method? Let's see how. Let's suppose this is my product, which is this watch, and the photos I have are at this level. They're not high quality photos at all, but I want to make an ad like the one I found, for example, on Pinterest, which is this ad. Now let's see how we're going to do this. After you activate your account on SodaMarketing and create your brand, you will go to any products and type in the name of your product. Then we select the brand, and then I'll upload the available photos I have of the product like this. The more photos you have and the higher their quality, the more accurate your results will be. Then click on any products. I'll click on generic. Then I'll choose the ad size that I want. After that, I'll select the option called, and I'll go to the video that I want to make something similar to. I'll start taking different screenshots of several scenes from the video. After I've taken the screenshots, I'll go back to SodaMarketing AI, start by uploading the first screenshot here, and click on generic. This way, it generated a scene that's very similar to the one I took. As we can see, it's absolutely amazing, but for my own product, with all its details, down to the smallest detail, without any mistakes. The next step is to start converting this scene or this image into a video. I'll click on Convert Video. I'll ask SodaMarketing AI to create the scene or imagine the scene by clicking here. This way, it'll give me a visualization of this scene, then I click Next, and then I click Generic. And after a few minutes, the video comes out absolutely amazing, extremely accurate, and with very high quality. I don't want you to forget that the images we uploaded in the first place were in high quality. Using the same method, I'll repeat the process to create the rest of the scenes for myself and produce my video. And like that, I can combine these 3 scenes together in one video and get this final result. Don't forget that SodaMarketing AI is the only app that gives you the option to ask for help from a professional. I can execute your idea for you through the human touch option. So if you don't know exactly how to do what you want, you can always request human touch, and they'll do exactly what you need using SodaMarketing. I will save you hundreds of dollars, hundreds of work hours that used to be wasted on creating creatives, videos, and advertising content for your products. You no longer need graphic designers, video editors, or digital marketing agencies to have world-class ads ready in just a few minutes. Activate your account now on SodaMarketing AI and start making a splash with ads that bring in the highest sales and the best return on your investment.
You gotta try this one yourself. Go to SodaMarketing AI or click the link in description.